Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter the recovery mode on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So the first thing that we need to do is power off our device. So let's do that. Let's turn it off. Let's shut it down. And now once it is off, the next thing that we need to do is use the combination of two keys. We need to use the power button and the volume down button, which are located on the right side. So let's do that. Let's press both of them. Alright, there we go. Now this is how it looks like. Now, in order to open the recovery mode, we need to use the volume up and down buttons in order to navigate. So we need to find the recovery mode, and then once you find it, you want to use the power button in order to apply or to enter this mode. So this is how it looks like. And after a few seconds, you should have this menu where you have several options. And once again, use volume down and volume up buttons in order to navigate through the menu. And then if you want to enter something, then you need to use the power button. If you decide to exit the mode, then you need to either choose the power off or reboot system now option. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.